Marta's soaked.
My trousers ripped. Let's go to the hospital. We arrived in Spain yesterday, and today we arrived at our friend Marta's. My UTI until yesterday was getting worse, and then this morning it seemed pretty fine, basically no pain. And then this evening I had pain in my lower back. We figured that's where the kidneys are. So we thought, let's go to the hospital. So me, Paul and Marta went to the emergency centre where at, I don't know, 11 or something. There were 3 people on night shift, a receptionist, a doctor and a nurse. I was the only patient there. So it was amazing actually. The pain was not amazing. The pain was really, really bad. But otherwise, the doctor and the nurse and the receptionist, wonderful. I got put on some strong pain medication. I got it injected into my blood.
Hayley, what's happening? What are you doing there?
I'm getting injected with strong pain medicine.
Why is that?
Because I've got a kidney infection.
And why have you got a kidney infection?
Because I had a UTI.
And why do you have a UTI?
Because I had a finger infection.
And why do you have a finger infection?
Because I picked at my fingernails.
And what are you never gonna do again?
I can't make any promises.
Your life might change from today onwards. Oh God.
And then I was prescribed a bunch of stuff. Some painkillers and some antibiotics. What they said happened is I've got a bladder infection now as well as the UTI. And I've got a kidney stone that's moving around. And that's what caused that pain. And I seemed really concerned about my finger, which, yes, it's still a thing. It's back to nearly normal size, actually. It does hurt a little bit, but they were, like, quite concerned about it, actually. And so I've got some antibiotics for that as well, I think. Hopefully, within the next week, this infection, the UTI, the bladder infection, and the kidney stone go away. And I can get on with my life. Fingers crossed. Yeah. It's been an eventful evening. Anyway, just wanted to give you an update. And we're back in Spain, so let's see Spain.
So that is Marta.
Hello.
We're currently staying at hers. And who are you?
Marta?
You're Marta.
Yes.
And what are you doing?
I'm walking.
You're walking. That is very true. And where are we walking?
We're walking to a viewpoint that I've never been in my life, and I'm from here. We are currently in Galicia, La Ribera Sacra, my friends. Come and see it.
Come and see it. People say that we should all be here now.
Yeah,
All
yeah.
tourists should be here, actually.
Yeah.
And yes, Marta is currently a bit of a guide for us.
Uh-huh.
A butterfly. again in Galicia, and we are going for a walk with our guide Marta. These things, right? We don't know where to go, but we don't know where to go with this either, because it could go in this direction, or it could go in that direction, it could go anywhere. Where is that? We're lost.
There are these empty signs because they're replacing the signs.
I have to show you something. Over there was some noise that we thought was a frog, right? On the way back we discovered that there is this mirror here, this outside bathroom, very beautiful. And Marta was standing here and I was like, oh yeah, that's the shower. Touched that cork and it went right onto Marta. Now Marta is soaked and I'm feeling very bad. Marta's soaked.
I am.
I'm doing my best to dry her already.
My hair, everything.
Everything's wet.
Like the jump. But it's not so wet. The jump. I think I ran quite fast. I was like, whoa!
Oh.
And, because it went like, whoa. I properly felt it, like water.
That was a
shower.
solid thing.
Like,
and it
but
went
was
right here.
We're happy that it's warm. I am happy.
It's about 19 degrees.
Yeah. And look at this inside. How actually beautiful.
Yeah.
It is, huh?
Wow, the teeth. It's probably like sheep, right?
Yeah.
But like this is huge. Like look at this head. This plus a bit of eyes and ears here. What is that? That is huge.
Cow.
A cow,
Cow?
that's what I
Too
thought, yeah.
small for a cow again. I would more go for
But the nose looks
some
very-
serious big dog. I would go.
No.
Well, yeah, that nose is super thick.
Yeah.
This could be a sheep. It's all getting worse. What just happened?
I just sat down and my trousers ripped.
Where did they rip?
Like right on the bum.
On your bum? Dog with a very big head. Oojaboo, oojaboo, oojaboo. Oojaboo, oojaboo, oojaboo. Oojaboo. Lily is Lee's girlfriend. And it's like, actually, there's jealousy. She's always with him. It's ridiculous. Very cute to watch. It's 27th of March and we are leaving Marta today. After almost 2-3 weeks, we are heading on our way down to Andorra. We're gonna do a couple of stations on the way along the north of Spain because Marta recommended it so much in so many places that we just have to do it. But for now, we need to pack up, and we wanted to say thank you very much, Marta, for all the hospitalities, for letting us stay in her hotel. Thanks to her parents that were feeding us for all that time, happily, with the best local meals that you could imagine. And now let's go on. We're now down here, but we were up this bridge and up this bridge as well. Holy moly!